Hello, today we will guide you through how to use GPT Vision in Make.com. To begin, open Make and go to your dashboard. This is the main workspace where you can build and manage automations, also called scenarios. If you are already signed in, you should land here directly. If not, simply sign in and wait for the dashboard to load fully before moving on. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Create Scenario. This opens a new scenario canvas, which is where you will add and configure the tools you want to use. Think of this as the starting point for building your automation from scratch. Next, in the search area, type GPT Vision. This helps Make locate the correct app or module quickly, especially if you have many options available. Be sure to type it clearly so the matching result appears in the list. When GPT Vision appears in the results, click on it. This selects the app and brings you into the setup process. At this stage, Make is asking what kind of GPT Vision task you want to add to your scenario. This is an important moment because the action you choose determines what the module will do later in your workflow. From here, select the sample action. If you are following along for the first time, using the sample action is a simple way to get started and understand how the module is structured. It gives you a ready-made option so you can focus on learning the setup without getting distracted by advanced configuration choices. After that, select the sample connection. A connection allows Make to link the module to the service it needs in order to run properly. If a sample connection is available, it can make setup easier and faster, especially for testing or learning purposes. Just make sure you choose the correct listed connection in the prompt. Once that is done, click Save. Saving confirms your selections and adds the GPT Vision module to your scenario. This is the final step in the setup shown here, and it ensures your progress is kept, so you can continue building or reviewing the scenario afterward. As a quick tip, after saving, it is always a good idea to pause for a moment and check that the module appears correctly on the canvas. That way you can confirm everything was selected properly before moving on to any future configuration. And that's it. You have now completed the basic setup for using GPT Vision in Make.com.